Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Technology, your home for the latest smartphone reviews and future tech updates. Today, we are taking a look at the brand new Samsung Galaxy S27 Plus, a phone that combines premium design, powerful performance, and next-level AI features into one flagship package. So, is this the best Samsung phone of 2026? Let's find out. Design and build quality. The Samsung Galaxy S27 Plus looks absolutely stunning. Samsung continues its premium design language with a sleek aluminum frame, Gorilla Glass protection, and a super thin body that feels comfortable in the hand. The phone is lightweight, modern, and available in beautiful colors like Phantom Black, Ice Blue, and Titanium Silver. You also get IP68 water and dust resistance, so durability won't be a problem. Overall, this is one of the cleanest and most premium-looking Android phones Samsung has ever made. Display experience. Samsung displays never disappoint, and the S27 Plus is no exception. It features a massive 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 140Hz refresh rate and QHD resolution. Scrolling feels incredibly smooth, colors look vibrant, and blacks are deep and cinematic. Whether you're watching YouTube, gaming, or browsing social media, the experience feels flagship level in every way. Samsung also improved outdoor brightness this year, making the screen easier to see under direct sunlight. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Galaxy S27 Plus is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, paired with up to 16GB RAM and 512GB storage. Performance is insanely fast. Apps open instantly, multitasking feels effortless, and heavy games like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty run smoothly at ultra settings. The phone runs on One UI based on Android 16. Which now includes smarter Galaxy AI features like real-time translation, AI photo editing, and advanced voice assistance. Samsung has also promised long-term software support, making this phone future-proof for years. Camera test. Now let's talk about the cameras, one of the biggest highlights of the Galaxy S27 Plus. The phone features a 200MP main camera, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP telephoto sensor with advanced zoom capabilities. Photos come out incredibly sharp with natural colors and excellent dynamic range. Night photography has improved a lot too, thanks to Samsung's newer AI image processing engine. Video recording is also excellent, supporting up to 8000 resolution with improved stabilization. And for selfie lovers, the front camera captures detailed and natural-looking shots perfect for Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube creators. Battery and charging. Battery life is another strong area. The Galaxy S27 Plus packs a 5200 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day even with heavy usage. It supports 65W fast charging, meaning you can quickly power up the phone in under an hour. You also get fast wireless charging and reverse wireless charging for accessories like Galaxy Buds or smartwatches. Final verdict plus outro. So, should you buy the Samsung Galaxy S27 Plus? If you want a smartphone with a premium design, powerful performance, incredible cameras, and one of the best displays in the industry, then absolutely yes. The Galaxy S27 Plus feels like a true flagship built for the future. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Future Technology, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.